Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, before we get started, guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now let's take a look at what our GBPUSD will actually give us for the next day, right? So if you notice, I actually did analysis for the 14th, right? I also talked about we should be careful that a pullback will occur or happen that day on GBPUSD, because I told you that we are actually on a level where price will definitely react to. See, take a look at it here. We saw that price has once reacted at this level, right? We saw price also reacted at this level, right? We saw price came to this level, it bounce up. We saw price came to this level, kind of give us like a pullback and dropped further down, right? And if you notice that this price actually was at this level during the period where I was doing this analysis, I told you guys that there's every possibility that now that this GBP has gone long, there's every possibility we'll be having a pullback at this GBP before we continue our bullish move. Notice that GBP we are still on a bullish move. We will want to go bullish as so I predicted, right? But a pullback will occur anytime soon. And guess what? We actually added that pullback, which was actually red on the 14th, right? So on the 15th, which is today, we kind of open and close, bullish, right? So we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, right? If you notice that there's a pullback at this level on the 4-hour time frame, though we would go into that later. I just want you guys to know that on the 14th, we kind of had like a bearish move, right? This 15, we kind of have like a bullish move. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. So to be able to predict that correctly, first of all, we'll take a look at this moving average, right? Those of you that trade the moving average, you know that once the price is above the moving average, then it is a buy. We are on a bullish move, right? So that is it. One, we are on a bullish move on the moving average. Secondly, let's see our price action. We can take this as an impulse move like higher highs. We will take this as a correction, guys. So a new highs has been made, which actually broke this previous highs on GBPUSD. Guess what? Then a pullback was made. Guess what? This pullback actually failed to break this previous lower, this higher lows, right? So since our price failed to break this higher lows, right, they will now add a new higher high. So that is an indication that GBPUSD, we are still on a bullish move. So do not look for a way to actually short this. This is still on a bullish move. And this is one of the reasons why I told you guys that there's every possibility that we might be having a pullback here before we continue our bullish move. So we kind of add like a little bit of a pullback on this our GBPUSD. So now let's take a look at this for our time frame, right? So take a look at this for our time frame. We would want to place this our trade, right, and we would want to place it on the 4-hour time frame. So the first thing we would ask is, what is the trend on the 4-hour time frame? So we clearly can see that the trend on the 4-hour time frame is an impulse move. This is a bullish move. Assuming we are having lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and we would want to go long, right, I would have advised you to just stay out of this trade. But clearly we can see that we are on a bullish move, and even the 4-hour time frame still says we are on a bullish move. So it is time for us to actually take a buy. So we can see it here, kind of had a move on GBPUSD. A correction was made, right? We saw price actually push up, right? And we had a pullback at this level. So what next do you expect on GBPUSD? I personally still expect a bullish move on GBPUSD. So this GBPUSD, we would want to go long for the next day, right? First of all, the reason why we would go long is that, first of all, we saw that this price has given us a pullback, tested our moving average, right? It is now time for us to actually bounce up again. At least we should be able to take out this ice. At least we should be able to take out this ice and possibly break above it for the next day. So GBPUSD would want to go long because price has hit our 10-period moving average. Secondly, is that when you take a look at the price action, you all know once an higher highs has been made, higher lows should be made, which is what we've had there. New higher highs has been made, right? A pullback has been made. After the pullback, what next, right? We would want to go long again on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, we are expecting to go long. Now let's take a look at this GBPUSD on the pullback. Is this pullback over? You guys might be asking, is this pullback over? So to be able to know if this pullback is over on GBPUSD, we would have to use our Fibonacci retracements. So we would take a look at this retracement, take it a look at here. So clearly we can see that this retracement has reacted at this level on 23.6 and a level of 38.2. So there's every possibility that now that this price has come to 23.6, we will be going bullish on Fibonacci retreat. And if in case it drops further down, then I can assure you that we would have a reaction at a level of 38.2. So there are two levels we will see a rejection on this GBPUSD. One, it is at this level, which is about 38.2, right? Fibonacci retracement. We should have a rejection or a movement. If in case this price will drop further down, then we should see it reject at the level of 38.2 and it will continue a bullish move. But I personally, like I said, I don't know what you guys think, but I believe that this GBP USD will actually give us a bullish move and be able to take out this high. So if in case that price actually moves that way, then we should need to grab 160 pips by the way. So if GBP USD give us that bullish move from here where price is currently at, we will be able to grab about 160 pips. Now I'm going to give you another reason, the last reason why I believe GBP USD will actually go bullish is that we will take a look at our DXY or USD index. So if you notice this price, you will know that the full trend on DXY is actually on a bearish move, right? So we would actually want to take a look at this 4-hour time frame. So what does the 4-hour time frame says? This is a bearish move. So you can take a look at this impulse move. Here will be the correction, another impulse move. Here will be the correction, right? We will take this as an impulse move. Here will be the correction on the XY. So I believe if price can give us a bullish move a little bit, we should see a rejection at this level. After it, USD or DXY will go bearish again. So that is to tell you that if our DXY or USD index goes bearish, then any other pairs we will be trading to our USD will give us a bullish move. So as USD index will be giving us a bearish move, we should be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. So I personally still strongly believe that GBP USD will go bullish. So it depends on you and how you want to place this trade and how you see this trade. So GBP USD, we are still on a bullish move.